Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil rose and posted a weekly gain last week as higher Chinese demand and OPEC Plus supply cuts lifted prices, despite expected weakness in the global economy and the prospect for further interest rate hikes. Hong Kong is betting that a new program allowing investors to trade equities in the yuan on top of its local currency will help revive its flagging stock market and boost turnover that's hovering at a 4-year low. Putin said the trend of using local currency for cross-border trade, including in the energy trade, indicates the demise of the dollar. He said currently more than 80% of Russian trade with China was either in yuan or rubles, while about 90% of Russia's trade with the countries of the EEU was done in rubles.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The Portuguese current account balance at 1000 hours GMT. Germany's German BUBA monthly report at 1000 hours GMT. Hong Kong's unemployment rate will be released at 0830 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0130 GMT. The US housing starts at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.